Okay, thank you very much, Tila. So first of all, this is first quote of the speech. I talk about the Zabbix and Zabbix Summit 2025. Okay, before I talk about them, have you ever, of course, using Zabbix, right? No? Zabbix is, do you know Zabbix?
Oh, the metrics, well, not metrics.
Okay, I talk about the inspiration precisely. Zabbix is one of the monitoring software, around the world who had developed at Riga in Latvia. Latvia is one of the countries which belong to the Baltic countries, to the Northern Europe area, which is near Helsinki, Finland. So the way of going to Riga and Latvia, the best way from Japan is to take on board to Helsinki directly, and by of the Helsinki by of the by of Helsinki or Helsinki to Riga. It will take about over 16 hours, including a change in trains. Okay, all right. So first of all, okay, before I talk and introduce myself, my name is Inaba. So, age imagine myself, right? But I'm too old. Okay, you can imagine. Or then you can imagine. Okay, right. So and now I'm in IT company, and it's over 20 years freelance software engineer. Others, I belong to one of the Japanese communities, Koedo Lab. Koedo Lab is one of the Japanese communities to get together to studying and learn the function of Linux to explain together online. So today's event of the Koido line at the same today. So after that, during the party, I put the screen of the Koido apps to talk each other by online during the time of the party. Okay, all right. So and but in a character, I'm a just funny man. All right, thank you. Okay, what is Zabbix? Zabbix is an open software tool used for monitoring IT infrastructure, such as networks and servers, virtual machines, cloud services, and applications. It's an enterprise class solution that provides real-time performance data, monitoring, and visualization. So, but before using Zabbix, a lot of Japanese customers use JP1 or System Worker by Fujitsu. Have you ever known JP1 or System Worker? It's like a tools and software which we use in Fujitsu or Hitachi, but they are not open source. So. And compared to the cost, so I think it's better to use that because we using cost, using them costless. Yes, because of we using open source, right? So and we don't cost too much. Okay. And talking about the license, AGPL is widely used obligation to ensure system reliability and performance. So okay, you talk about already because already talk about that JPM system worker centered. So sorry to say, I can only written words. So but after that we will show the picture of the Zabbix on screen. Okay, key feature and components. Comprehensive monitoring. Zabbix can monitor a vast variety of metrics, including CPU load, memory usage, disk space, and network traffic, application performance, and more, and across operating systems, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and hardware vendors. Proactive monitoring uses triggers to define the conditions that indicate problem. When a threshold will be reached, Zabbix can send alerts via various channels, email, SMS, and webhooks, etc., to ensure a quick response to issues. In short, what I want to say in talking about the Zabbix is to monitor CPU or memory or hard disks in a system. Yeah. So by using, by sending, by mail or application sent to, to the users to make known. Okay. So digital visualization is very important. Web-based interface provides customizable dashboards, graphs, and network maps and reports for clear, real-time overview of the IT environment, health, and performance. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's like only like it's like explanation. I think it's it's a little bit hard to say. So first of all, it's like the imagination of the tools. Okay, so tool is like this on screen. So you can use about like on website in the internet. So you can check the the /4 of the over you take a data be over /4 in CPU or and memory and hard disk in each hardware or and the devices or and the servers or switches. So a lot of users in now, a lot of companies are using all that kind of software, which is used in open source because it costs less too much. Okay, and but we have to set up those kind of tools because we select three databases to stock. One is yeah, yes, okay. What can I say in open source databases? Yeah, MariaDB or something like that. You use to get options. Okay. Have an opinion? No? Sorry. Okay, okay, thank you. So that's why we able to monitor with all like screen things on the screen to check the data from the Zabbix. Okay. So, but Zabbix, in everywhere, every hardware, especially like a Raspberry Pi or your application, machines, of course, you can able to monitor to install Zabbix. Okay. All right. Okay. We talk about them. Have any question about them until this time? Okay, please.
What's the basic architecture? Like what we're seeing here is this. Is it
Okay.
like
Okay.
yeah.
The basic architecture. Okay. All right. All right. No. Talking about the architecture. Hold on, please. So. Hold on. Okay. These are articles from these are the two topic from Zabbix summit I participated in. So I talk about the usually you can understand the architecture of Zabbix because one of the CEO whose name is Alex Brezhnev from Legal and Larga to explain this year of the future. Yeah. Okay. All right. So as a on behalf of CEO of Zabbix, Alex Brezhnev, I talk about. Okay. All right. So agenda is current state of Zabbix and the essential monitoring and Zabbix 8.0 ATS. Now is the version of Zabbix 8.0. And updates on existing products and few existing announcements. It's like this, okay? So before we talk, Zabbix is like this in a company, Largia. Yes, so it's like that. They get together to develop a software. But other side of the areas, there are a lot of people who support to develop the software around the world. Yes. So we call them Zabbix team. Zabbix team make the Zabbix developably, extendably. Yeah. So it was 20 years creating value of everyone, business, Zabbix users, and people. As a company like this, okay. sorry to say, we don't talk about the architecture like that, okay? Before, but after that we talk.
Yeah, I was more meaning the software architecture. I mean, is it a client-server based thing? Are you, where are the data stored? And
Yes, okay.
no.
All right. I mean, like, I think it's better to use like the pictures. Okay. All right. But okay. First of all, in a software Zabbix, architecture is like, what is this? I can skip that. Yes, it's like this. So we can select the database, MySQL or PostgreSQL. It's like this to check. Architecture is like that. So Zabbix server and Zabbix database is like a stock data. And the Zabbix API, we develop and customize all like the data APIs to send data. And the Zabbix UI, like already show you the screen for clients they use. Okay? And and the historical database and Zabbix proxy we are able to use. But basically, we have three functions, three units: Zabbix UI and Zabbix servers and Zabbix database. So basically, we install the Zabbix UI, but send the data from the to the servers. The servers in the Zabbix database to monitor data to stock. Okay, all right, it's like this. So okay, I already talk about like architecture of Zabbix. So I back to the topic about them. So changing the subject. So Zabbix is thinking about AI, so complex event processing on an open territory and scalability, because nowadays it's the extending of the functions by using AI to effectively by for monitoring. So they are developing now. And the version is 8.0 ATS. But before we talk 8.0 ATS, what is Zabbix born? Why the Zabbix is born? Because one of Zabbix CEO Alex, suffered from the data, not to getting the data of the monitor in their business. So he made them for himself. Possible. It's incredible. But so, and of course, with all like the Zabbix monitoring, the software is developing during the time of 10 years. So it's very, very developing around the world, in there, out there. So in the autumn, we're able to hold the meeting, hold the conference and events of the conference and events to get together like Olympic Games to get people share around the world to give speeches. Okay, all right. So whose name is Zabbix Summit. So I participate in every autumn. I went to Riga and Latvia. All right. So 8.0 TS, transition metrics and solution data is like that. And of course, processing structure streaming data is like this. And open telemetry traces, and we request, for access various systems, timing data, root cause serials. This like the data is monitoring data from Zabbix servers to clients. Okay, I already did that. And visualization of problem detection, history database, JSON data, and Zabbix service like that. Open telemetry streaming data, they're thinking about the next future. Yeah. So visualization means I already show you the screen, before, and already them. The enhanced user experience is like this. So we able to develop a UI to make the performance of a CPU or hardware or memory. Yes, it's like this to on screen. A customized data views. So it's like to make norm because it's like an urgent level in whose color is red, and the ordinary level is information is like a blue. So you can notice and recognize the data which is good or bad by Zabbix. Okay.
Can I ask something? Is this UI available as an application for which operating systems, or is it accessed via browser? How to access?
Yeah, be able to use browsers on, from Google or other browser is okay because Zabbix API UI is basically on URL.
Okay.
Yeah, so you set up a server and of course to connect the servers from a URL on browser, we can do that. Yeah. All right, it's like an internet. So nowadays, this is the new information of the Zabbix. So they are, getting a new information of using phone, smartphone to make known the data of Zabbix. It's like this. It is incredible. This is the first time in next year they were developing. Those like phones basically like Android. Yeah. So you can use, you can know the data of monitoring data. All right. So, and what is Zabbix function is not enough, but so, and of course, their function, Zabbix team are thinking about that. Zabbix does not support this functionality. What should do? But Zabbix is an open source to extend it. So Zabbix is open source. We're able to install freely. But if you need support of the functions, you're able to pay money. So supporting fee is we don't it's not free, but to operate and use is for free because it's open source to monitor Zabbix by Zabbix. Okay, monitor data by Zabbix. Okay. So one of the new company, Initmax is so many solutions already available because those like kind of things which they detect the problem and the issue that we have to deal with. Initmax support Zabbix. Initmax is one of the company from Czech. Yeah, Czech. Czech is a country, northern and central of the European country, right? Yeah, it's incredible. So you can experience, those like people to communicate, to talk in that summit. Yeah. And global marketplace is like this. Okay, right. So, and in its nutshell, and basically nowadays it's like developing and extending the Zabbix, situations. So Zabbix Academy, and now it's like this, but in the future, Zabbix Cloud. Cloud means like, you can use the Zabbix Cloud from the to the data on the internet, and we can connect one application from the cloud data to monitor, cloud monitoring data. Okay, all right. So they're thinking about 2026 Zabbix 0.8.0 LTS, and already told you 2026 Zabbix mobile app, and marketplace is growing like this now. All right, thank you. Thank you, it's like this. So Zabbix is like this. Do you have any question about Zabbix? Okay, please.
Zabbix 8.0, it mentioned AI. Is that run locally or on the European servers? Like, do you know anything about the AI features?
I have no idea because, but they talk about only like an AI, but I didn't know the precise of the AI we use. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to expecting the information about AI in the near future they make. All right. So thank you very much. We talk about the Zabbix, but okay, hold on. Next topic is about Zabbix. So, and hold on, please. We talk about like, sorry to say, like come on, no image, no images. Oh my god, hold on. This is like my personal data. Oh my gosh. Yeah, hold on. Okay, hold on. So Oh, already. Oh my God. No, no, no. Ah, yeah. Chill, chill, chill. Mm, okay. This is like a stop the pictures. Hold on, please. Have you been to Liga and Latvia? No. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, sorry to say, I guess only the I'm not prepared. Hey, come on, 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 come on. This is personal data for me. Hey, okay, 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 here. All right, all right. Okay. Okay, so if you are participating in Zabbix Summit for free, you're able to do a lot of kind of experience Liga and Latvia with people to able to speak with all like people around the world. Okay, all right. First of all, yeah, okay. So, all right. This is Liga and the airport, right? So I skip those like pictures. Riga city like this. Okay, it's a very good scenario location in Riga. It's very very safe. Yeah, compared to Japan country, it's very safe. Even though like at night able to walk. Yes, it's okay. Like I say, it's like I've been to here. I went there on October. It's like this, From a city, it's like a European style of the structure. You can see it's like this. And this is the designated hotel to stay because in there, Zabbix conference will be was held. Okay, and yeah, so the Zabbix is very very huge in Riga and Latvia. Yeah, so maybe like if you go to Riga, a lot of people know Zabbix. Yeah, we know Zabbix. Yeah, it's like this. Riga city is like this. So you can go to those like places and relax. Yes. So Riga is here. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. And finally we change subjects. For it to hold on. Yeah. Okay. Sorry to say like advertising. Sorry. So changing the subject. Thank you very much for listening to me about that. Finally, do you have ever do you have the question about Zabbix? Okay? All right, thank you very much for listening. All right, Zabbix, and we finished Zabbix. Thank you. Okay, changing subjects. We change subjects. Next week, we have we hold a meeting and a conference. One of the software, LibreOffice. Have you ever used, do you know LibreOffice? Yeah, thank you. Next week is one of the LibreOffice Asian Summit. Yeah, the day is December 13th and 14th. Yeah, I'm not a staff member of the LibreOffice. Okay, so if you wanna participate in these conferences, it's okay. Yes. Oh. So, and the Compass, but it's a Japanese side story, are able to register LibreOffice if you want to participate in. Okay. It's like this. And after the conference, we have the party. Yeah, to talk. But basically, because but still like people around, especially like Asian people. Yeah. So mainly like the country from Indonesia, and India or China, yes. We go like Asian people, mainly to get together in every year that we host. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you. So and finally, next day we have a special tour at Kawagoe. Have you been to Kawagoe? Okay, Kaoga is one of the cities. It's like a historical city. We call it Koedo because we use Tokyo as Edo, right? But Kawara is like a northern area which it will take about within 1 hour to take Tobu Ikebukuro, no, Tobu Tojo line directly to Kawagoe. Yes. So we have the special tour, but sorry to like daytime. It's not a holiday. So we have a tour. If you participate in those like tours, please call us. Yeah, and to get in touch. All right. So thank you very much for listening. My topic. Have you got any topic? Question? All right. Thank you so much for our topic. Yeah. And this is the event for our communities in Koedo. During the time of the party, the alliance are able to be on broadcast with using the machine with Koedo Live meeting. During the time, it's like that party during the time. Is okay?
Koedo Bonica or?
Koedo Live is today.
Oh.
Online.
Oh, okay. What time?
Maybe from 2 o'clock to 16, maybe like 8:60 at 6 o'clock.
Gotcha. Well, I'll put out a link on the TLUG mailing list or something. Maybe
So
we'll have like a live feed from this meeting as well.
Yeah, okay. So I'll contact to the Koedo Lab by phone, internet during the party. Yeah, after we finish the conference.
Sounds good.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Inaba.